የብሔር ሚዲያ የሀብታም ሚዲያ ያልቀጠረ ሰው የለም። በዚህ ሁሉ ውስጥ በጣም ብዙ ወሬ አለ። ወታደሮች በጣም ጥንቃቄ እንታረጉ። ምለምናችሁ መመክራችሁ ነገር ወደ ብሔር ኮንቴነር ወርዳችሁ የምታስቡ ከሆነ ቲፒኤልኤፍ መታገል ከቲፒኤልኤፍ ጋር መገዳደል አስፈላጊ አልነበረም። ቢኮዝ ቲፒኤልኤፍ ሱሰ ነበር። ቲፒኤልኤፍን ጠልታችሁ የቲፒኤልኤፍን ተግባር የሚደግም ነገር ማድረግ የለባችሁ። ካድሬ ራሱን ስራ ሳይሰራ ልማት ሳያመጣ በኮራፕሽን ህዝብ እያሳቀቀና እየገደለ መከላከያ ጋር ተለጥፎ እንዲጨማለቅ መፍቀድ የለባችሁ። እያደረገ ያለው እንደሱ ነው። ይሰርቃል፣ የራሱን ያከማቻል፣ መጠቀሚያ ያደርጋል። እዚህ ኦሮሞ አማራ ምናምን እያለ አጭበርባሪ። እናንተ ክብራችሁ መጠበቅ አለባችሁ። ወታደር መሆን አለባችሁ። ባያድላችሁ ነው እንጂ የትኛውም ካድሬ እናንተ ሩባ አያክልም። ብዙ ይነግራችኋለሁ፣ አያክልም። በጭንቁ ጊዜ እኮ እናንተ ናችሁ። ህዝቡን ያወያያችሁት እናንተ ናችሁ። የተዋጋችሁ እናንተ ናችሁ። በቦቴ ውሃ ያጠጣችሁ እናንተ ናችሁ። ካድሬ አይደለም። ግን they want to manipulate
ከራበጉ አከዴም ነው ወርባደን ቶኩማ ብየከና ኢጃሩን ኢትጋፈተውማ ኦሮሞ ተውሳ እንደገቲና
Located in Oromia, stage for unspeakable atrocities against the Amhara people since Abiy rose to power. In 2019, the Oromia regional president's incendiary rhetoric in Addis Ababa set a tone that would haunt the years to come, ultimately culminating in horrific massacres. Then, in May 2024, deeply troubling and inflammatory speech. How could those that sees immorals manages to subjugate us for hundreds? He sought to justify inhumane acts against Amharas throughout Ethiopia. The crowd fully grasped the message. It reassured them that massacring and displacing Amharas were justified actions. Guilt. That was the subliminal the rhetoric. The implications are chilling and deeply troubling. It's profoundly his laureate espoused such divisive rhetoric in a region already scarred by. It's more like to a packed German crowd at Auschwitz. Peaceful coexistence in Welega. Instead, fueled animosity Oromos to unite against the repeated hateful speeches by both Oromia's president and Abiy Ahmed could potentially serve as damning indictments related to genocide. A harrowing testament to the power of stoking societal unrest. Many children have been orphaned and abandoned, losing not only their parents, but also extended generations. Life in IDP camps with little aid, the only place they ever called home. The Abiy government actively conceals and ignores their presence, out of concern for bad image. As Abiy delivers speech, displaced individuals remain unable to return to their birthplaces where they were raised and started. The brutal kill. Imagine walking in their shoes. These forgotten and neglected by their own. Throughout his tenure, survivors of atrocities, it never was reported on national media. Even during his speeches in Welega, he had the opportunity to promote unity and reconciliation. He exacerbated tension. Amharas as immoral and the enemy, he uses coded language that further divides communities. For access to videos depicting provided in the description below. Viewing this evidence first